Hi, it's Michael, and this ultrasonic cleaner, you can use this for jewelry, dental appliances, small items. It's my favorite, and I'll tell you why. That's why. I can take the container right off the base. There's no electrical connection to the container, so you don't have to fiddle around trying to unplug it and not electrocute yourself while you're filling it with water. Oh, it comes with a little basket there too that raises your items off the bottom of the container, which is really important. Helps for more thorough cleaning. The lid has a hole there that you can stick your toothbrushes in, or if you don't need to use that, you can keep it closed. There's the power adapter. Now, there's a maximum fill line inside the container. You do not ever want to run the ultrasonic cleaner without liquid up to the fill line in the inside there. You can also use a cleaning tablet if you would like, or a couple drops of detergent, but plain water is usually all it takes. Just put it on the base. You can turn it on. You have 3 different lengths of time it'll run, 5, 8, or 10 minutes. So here's my grungy looking retainers. You can see how cloudy they are. Those are the 3 different settings. You just keep pushing the power button until it goes to the setting you want, or turn it off. So 3 different lengths of time, and that's the UV light right there. You can turn that on or off. This is demonstrating the power of ultrasonic. I just put a piece of aluminum foil in there. Look at that. It was in there for 30 seconds. It just punches hole through that aluminum foil. That just shows you the cleaning power of the ultrasonic bubbles. So I put my retainer in there. I'm just going to put it in there for the 5-minute length of time, and we're going to do a little time lapse here. It'll zoom through. I turned on the ultraviolet light, the disinfectant light, almost when it was done, but it will go off automatically after the cycle ends. Also, you can take the container off even when it's mid-cycle. It'll just turn itself off and then resume when you put it back on, like it just showed you there in the video. The ultrasonic light, boom, goes off at the end of the cycle. And then I'm going to take my retainers out, and you're not going to believe how sparkling clear they are now. Before, you couldn't really see through them. They were very cloudy, and now they are basically crystal clear. Just empty the water out, stainless steel again, and look at the retainers. Look how clear those are. Just really amazing. And I didn't use a denture cleaning or a retainer tablet of any sort. Just plain water did that. Just wipe this out. I can put it back on the base. If I want to disinfect it, I can just turn on that ultraviolet light, and that'll run for a few minutes. It'll turn off automatically, and that's going to disinfect the inside there. This is a fantastic thing. They also give you a little pair of tweezers for handling jewelry. Thanks for watching.